Welcome back to AutoTime Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in the pickup world, the 2026 Toyota Hilux. Tough, modern, and more refined than ever, the new Hilux is ready to turn heads on and off the road. From the outside, the 2026 Hilux has evolved with a bolder, more aggressive design. Up front, a wide blacked-out grille with the iconic Toyota badge makes a powerful first impression. Sleek LED headlights with sharp daytime running lights add a futuristic touch. The sculpted body lines, high ground clearance, and bold fender flares hint at its off-road DNA, while details like black side steps, roof rails, and a robust roll bar over the bed complete its rugged look. Moving to the interior, the cabin offers a surprisingly upscale experience. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with brushed aluminum accents, giving it a refined and high-tech feel. A large, curved digital display flows into the piano black center console, and ambient lighting around the doors and dash adds a layer of sophistication. There's also a sporty yoke-style steering wheel equipped with touch-sensitive controls. Giving the driver a modern and connected feel behind the wheel, Toyota has made sure the Hilux isn't just about looks. It delivers a confident and stable ride, whether you're cruising the highway or taking on a rough trail. Thanks to an improved suspension setup, the new Hilux handles bumps and uneven terrain with ease. While offering impressive towing and payload capabilities, perfect for work or adventure, what really makes the 2026 Hilux stand out is its versatility. It's tough enough for job sites, smart enough for city driving, and comfortable enough for long road trips. Plus, Toyota's reputation for durability and reliability backs every mile in terms of pricing. The new Hilux starts around $38,000, depending on trim and options. For what it offers in design, features, and all-around performance, it's one of the most solid choices in its class. If you're in the market for a pickup that does it all with style and confidence, the 2026 Toyota Hilux is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching AutoTime Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we've got another exciting car review coming up that you won't want to miss.